Hello, and welcome to the PowerSchool Parent Portal Access tutorial. This video will show you how to access PowerSchool Parent Portal, the access point for checking student grades reported from teachers, as well as attendance. We'll also explore the features you can find here in PowerSchool. First, we'll start on the school website at www.orangecountyfirst.com/ALS. On this site, choose the PowerSchool tab in the black box near the top of the site. Once you've clicked, this sign-in box should appear. During your first login, you'll be prompted to create an account. You should use information provided in the parent letter you received to register. You will create a username and password. You will use this username and password for all future login sessions. If you forget your username and password, you can use the links at the bottom of the screen to retrieve them. Once you've entered your information, you will go to the Grades and Attendance main screen for your child. If you have multiple children, you will have the option to toggle between students. The current student's name will be displayed near the top center of the screen. From this screen, you can see all of the classes your child is currently enrolled, as well as their attendance and grades for this school year. Currently, this student has 0 absences, indicated by the number in the right-hand column. Additionally, you can see class scores at a glance in this view. You can also click on the email option for any teacher listed here. You can click on the class score to see the assignments used to calculate the course grade. In this example, we'll click on the score for social studies to see more details. This view allows parents to see individual assignment titles, dates, types, as well as scores. If there are teacher comments, you'll have an option to view them in the far right column. Another indicator available in PowerSchool is a flag option. Teachers can flag an assignment for a variety of reasons. If the student is missing the assignment, has turned the assignment in late, if the student was absent on the day the assignment was given, if the assignment was incomplete, or if the work was excluded from the student's grade. We look forward to a successful partnership with you and increased communication through PowerSchool Parent Portal.